Select the ellipse tool. Select shape. Make the fill color white. And select no color for the stroke. Press Shift while creating the shape to make a perfectly round circle. Press Ctrl+T. Increase the size of the circle so it covers the entire photo. Place the circle in the center of the canvas. Press Ctrl+J to duplicate the ellipse layer. Make the fill color black. Press Ctrl+T. Connect the width and height with the chain icon. Lower the width to 95%. The height should now be 95% too. Select both the ellipse layers. Right-click on them and select Rasterize Layers. Right-click on them again and select Merge Layers. Press Ctrl+J to duplicate the layer. Then press Ctrl+T. Lower the width to 90%. The height should now be 90% too. Press Ctrl+Alt+Shift+T to create more circles. Select all the ellipse layers. Right-click on them and select Merge Layers. Change the blending mode to Screen. And that's how you place a photo inside circles.